I'll get full naked on this thing. I think I'm playing.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's go in the back and see what's going on today. Turning out to be a pretty nice day. So we got John back here working. What you got going on today, John?
Headers.
Some header goodness.
Header goodness.
Fun. What's going on, guys? So in the last video, one of you guys asked what was going on with the great white here, and to answer that question, it's a little bit longer of a story, but we'll go back to what actually happened. It overheated pretty bad, and the freeze plugs in the rear of the engine let go, so went out of coolant, and I'm pretty sure it popped the head gasket. And at some point we will get this in the shop, get it tore down, show you guys carnage, whatever the case may be, and get it fixed. But most likely we'll be switching dailies. The Great White's been good to me for, you know, over 2.5 years. It's got over 200,000 miles. I'll take it anywhere, tow the boat with it, the race car. But she's finally ready to take a break for a little while. So what I want to do is take you over here to the new one. It needs some work as well, but we've got some exciting stuff coming for this one. Don't mind the noise from the air compressor. It'll shut off here in a little bit. But this is the new one. It's a 2001 Suburban. And what we're gonna do with this one is I've got a aluminum LS block, and we're gonna put all Gen 4 internals and BTR Stage 3 cam in it, and slap it into that one and turn that one into the new daily with a little bit of lope in its life. So to answer that question, Dylan, I believe, is who posted that question. That's what's going to be happening. That Suburban's going to be the new daily, and the Great White is going to take a break for a little while. We'll get it fixed up and get it back on the road, but for now, it's just going to hang out right here in the parking lot. So update on the header job. John got the old manifolds out. So we get all this cleaned up and get the gaskets straightened away. It looks like he's already did that to this side, and it's hung the new long tube on this side. So after lunch we'll get the other side on, get it all bolted up, and then figure out on this Y pipe section, because the mid pipes that are provided by the customer were cut off. So we're gonna have to do some welding and get all that stuff connected, and then update on the Subaru. We had to get some gaskets, so we fell a little bit behind on it, but got those Subaru engines all back together, and we got this brand new Stem Speed turbocharger. This is their ball bearing version. I want to say the servo is good to 500 horsepower. We're close to it, but be a nice upgrade for Leslie's car. We got some more goodies for you. Boom. A little competition clutch is going in before we stab the motor. Check this out. Oh, very nice, very nice. Hydraulic bearing, touch alignment tool, and new flywheel. Very nice. So we'll get this all put together and then jam this into the car. Well, it looks like one of our illustrious customers has shown up. The ever elusive HR Scat Pack. Super stock. What's up, buddy?
What's up?
Uh-oh. I hear little man in the back. Say what's up, Grant? Show y'all under the hood of this slow boat right here. Look at the inside. It's dirty too. Dang, it's dirty. She's dirty. About to go in. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you a little walk around of the Scat that we finished up. Got the long tubes on. Woo! The bee! John, you get a little rev back? Sounds good. Sounds good. Let's hear it. Woo. Yeah. All wrapped up, going back to the owner. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up today with that. We got the header car all taken care of. Y'all seen that footage. Hector stopped by today. That was nice to see him. And we got Leslie's Subaru put back together for the most part. Motor's back in the car. And probably tomorrow we'll go ahead and get the turbo kit or the turbo installed. Radiator and start buttoning this car back up. We got to take the charge pipes for the front mount and the rest of the turbo kit. We're going to take it to BJ's Powder House, and she wants to get her charge pipes purple, so we're going to knock that out for her too before we put all that stuff on. And stay tuned for the video where we put the BC coilovers on this car. But that's going to wrap it up for today. Thanks guys.